evening, students. Welcome to one more session of your World of Chemistry, that is your grade 10 topic. Right, previously we have seen a lot of videos regarding all the activities which are there in NCERT. Today let us see what are we going to learn. Right, so today we are going to learn one more topic, that is of your NCERT, that is Unit 2, Acids, Bases and Salts. So here the question is, what is involved when water is added, or what reaction is involved when water is added? Let us write this: water is added to acid or base. So basically the concept is they're trying to tell you, if you have, or there is a beaker with acid, there is a beaker with the base, are you supposed to add water to acid or base, or acid to water or base? Let us write that. So here there are two concepts. What is this concept? The first concept is, I have a beaker with me. In this I have acid, and or I also have, or it may be a base, right? That. Next, there is one more thing. I have a beaker. In this I have water with me. That's one concept. In this first beaker, again let us come back. Here I'm going to add water, and in this concept I'm going to add acid or base. Now they are asking us which is correct. This is the question basically. So always remember, first we will just know what should we remember, and then see what reason I have to explain that. Always remember, this is case 1 or case A, this is case B. Okay. First concept you need to remember about acid or bases. Acids are substances which have fast moving H plus ion, or which they dissociate into H plus ion when dissolved in water. Bases are substances which dissociate into OH minus ion when they dissolve in water. That is the concept. Always in acid there are fast moving H plus ions, even in the base OH minus ions. Because of this reaction, it is highly exothermic in nature. So when I take an acid or a base, strong acid or strong base, the highly exothermic means, exo means lot amount of heat is evolved. Exo means evolved out, thermic means heat evolved. Right. Now when I have to add water to acid or base, acid to base, remember first concept before we go into this, correct? Yes, always you should add acid to water. The concept, this is correct. Double tick. You should never add water to acid. Cross, double cross. Remember this concept. Yes, students, it's clear too. You should always add acid to water. This is correct for us. Let us put a double tick. You should never add water to acid. This is double cross. Let us reason this. So you noted this. Now let me erase and see. Here what happens in this case is, whenever you are adding acid to water, simple thing. Why? First important, when you are adding acid to water, what will happen? Immediately it's going to become a dilute solution, because you are adding water is already there in this, and you are adding acid to this, it will become a dilute solution. Correct? In the next case, next important thing, when you are adding this, all the water molecules will bind all the H plus ions inside this, or OH minus ions inside this, and the amount of reaction which happens is inside and very less violent, because it's going to absorb, it will add or join in between the molecules of water. So the reaction is less vigorous. It will not happen, because not less vigorous, because it has already become a dilute solution. Correct. Case number 3. Because it is less vigorous, will it spill on your face? No, isn't it? So it will not spill on the face. This is the concept. Now let us come back. Here what is going to happen? Here the concept is, whenever you are adding water to acid, first of all I said in acid or base there is fast moving H plus OH minus ion which is highly exothermic. Correct? Now when you add water to acid, what is going to happen? First thing, the acid particles or acid is going to get concentrated here, or the base gets concentrated. First thing, here it is getting diluted. Here acid or the base gets concentrated. This is gets concentrated. Now, after it's getting concentrated, now exothermic energy, it has become more and more violent, isn't it? Now, because of this concentrated nature, the reaction will become, first it becomes concentrated, then during this process, the reaction will become highly vigorous and exothermic. It start burning or bubbling inside the beaker. Because of this highly exothermic or vigorous nature, will it stay inside the beaker? No, isn't it? Immediately this acid or this base, it spills out of the beaker. So third point, what we are going to write? Because of this highly vigorous or this exothermic nature, it will spill out of beaker. So what is suggested now? What is suggested? You should write, the important suggestion is always you should add acid or the base to water because it is less vigorous and it has become a dilute solution. Here, adding water to acid or base is not a good idea because of highly moving or concentrating nature of acid or base. Finally, because it is highly exothermic, it vigorously comes out and falls on your face. It spills on your face. That's why the conclusion of this question, what is involved when water is added to acid or the base? You should write, this is how you need to write. If it is a 1 mark question, simply write this. What is that you need to write? Put it in a box. It is always recommended if it is for 1 mark, right? Remember, you should add acid or base to water. In the bracket, you write less vigorous, and this is proven. And water to acid or base, it is more exothermic. So this is not applicable. Right, students? Now at the end of the video, you'll be seeing an animated part. You'll be understanding what are the effects of spilling acid or a base on your face. So that's the reason we recommend wearing lab coats.
Thank you.